Now, do you all manage to look at lesson 38 and watch the video? Yes? No? Okay, now, a very quick recap. Okay, now, very good. Well done. Shambhavi didn't. Gordon managed to watch it. One question is impossible. Okay, I don't think there was an impossible question, Gordon. Okay, now, let's see, just a quick recap. Now, when we say percentages, now, what does percent means? When we say percent, it means over 100. Okay, so that means if I have a fraction, let's say half, if I want to convert it to percentage, I multiply by 100%. Okay, except that I do not need to multiply. So when I press the calculator, I do not need to put in the symbol here. I just have to put half times 100, and it's understood that the answer is 50%. All right. Similarly, if I were to change decimal to percentage, I also multiply by 100% to give me 25%. So again, it's either I move this 2 or multiply by 100. I don't need to include the percentage symbol. Okay, so similarly, if I were to change percentage to fractions, when I say, if I were to convert percentage, let's say 75% to fraction, it is 75. Okay, all get screen. 75% means percent is over 100, right? So I will take over 100. I put it here. So it's 75%. So if I were to simplify this, I will get 3 out of 4. Okay, just to take note of this. All right, now let's go on to the questions for today. Okay, some of you got number 1 wrong. Question says, what percentage of the figure is unshaded? So unshaded, how many? This is unshaded, just in case you don't know, this is unshaded. So 3. The entire figure is 5. So 3 out of 5 of the figure is unshaded. So to get the percentage, thank you, Gordon. So you multiply by 100% to give you 60%. So this is 60. All right. Now, question 2, all of you got it right. Well done. So just to remind you again, the unit must be the same. Now, if I were to change the question, and instead of saying 400 meters, okay, what if I change the question slightly to, I say 4 kilometers. How do I express 36 cm as a percentage of 4 kilometers? What do I do? Anyone wants to try and tell me? Yes, Jinlong?
Convert it to cm.
Convert which one to cm?
4 km.
Very good. So make sure you convert this to cm to give you how much? Better ask you. Convert to cm, what do you get?
4,000 cm.
Very good. 4,000 cm. Okay. So then you'll just have to put 56 over 4,000 times 100% to give me. So this can cancel off. Shame. Okay, can. Okay, so I will get divide by, so that's 56 over 40, right? So if I divide by 4, I'll get 14. So that's 1.4%. Okay? 7/50. Kennis, oh, I changed the question, Kennis. I changed the question to 4 kilometers. So I asked, what happens if I were to change it to 4 kilometers instead of this? So all of you know what you need to do, which is to actually remember that the units must be the same. Okay, so this is the conversion part. All right, so this is just an example. Okay, so this is just an example. All right, question 3. Some of you got this not correct. Question says this. So if 31/50 of the stickers in a box are gold stickers, okay? So 31/50, these are gold stickers. What percentage of the stickers in the box are gold stickers? So what do I need to do? Anyone? I just have to take this, change it to percentage. It means, thank you, Evan, times 100% to give me, if you don't have a calculator or this, it will just be 2, it'll be 62%. Okay, all right. Now, hang on, let me just take note of something. All right. Okay, anyone has any question? Anyone has any questions so far? I have. Okay, now. Okay, let's continue. Number 4. Okay, so Faith earns $1,948 a month. She spends this amount on food and food and transport. So this amount on food and transport, and then she spends this amount on entertainment and saves the rest. So we want to find percentage of her monthly income that she saved. First, I need to know how much did she save. Anyone? How do you get the amount that she saved? Can you tell me what's the amount that she saved? What's the amount that she saved? Nobody. Thank you, Shambhavi. Anyone else? How much did Faith save? We also have a classmate called Faith, right? Hey, only Shambhavi tell me the answer. Rachel, thank you. Timothy, thank you. But I'm asking how much did she say? How much money did she save? I want to know how much money did she save? Yes, Hui Feng. You wanted to say something? Or it's not working? Yes, Tanishka, that's right. Timothy, correct. So, okay, so I have everybody's answer. So, total spent. Okay, now wait, hang on. Total spent on food and transport plus entertainment. Okay, so these gives you a total of 1,461. So saved would be, I take the total monthly salary of 1,948 minus, oh, you're Edison Lin. Okay. Thank you. You can't change your name, is it? Otherwise, I'll call you Hui Feng all the time. Okay. All right. Yes, Bella. All right. So I take away 161 to give me 487. So from here to find percentage that she saves would be 487 over her total income or amount earned monthly times 100% to give me 25%. Now, everyone, can you look at the screen? Now, can you pay attention to this part here? Okay, now, if you were to write percentage saves is equals to 25%, this is correct. But if for some reason you became lazy and wrote this, right? They will take away your marks. If you for some reason lazy, but you don't want to write this extra word here, you can, but you make sure you use an arrow, then this is correct. You follow? So, which means that if you were to write, so can you all look at the screen? So if you write 10% total is equals to 100, this is correct. If you write 10% equal to 100, this is not correct. But if you write 10% arrow 100, this is correct. Can you all follow? It's just the presentation that schools or the exams, especially PSLE, they are particular about. So you got to make sure that the percentage sign, unless you have something, then use an equal sign. Otherwise, please use the arrow. Okay, take note. All right, so this is 25%. Now, question 5. So we have 10, 5/6%. I want to convert to fraction. Okay, now, if I were to say it out, it is 10, 5/6%. Okay, so now to convert this to fraction, I will write it down as 10, 5/6 per. So this is my percent, which is 100. Simplify this. Can you press your calculator and simplify this? You would actually get, so you see this is percent. If you simplify this, you will get 13/120. Now, if you don't have a calculator, okay, if you don't have a calculator like Shambhavi, this is how you do it, Shambhavi. So from here, you convert this to an improper fraction, you will get 65/6 divided by 100. So that's the same as 65/6 times 1/100 to give me, divide by 5, 13 divided by 5, 20. So that's 13/120. So you get the same answer. Is that okay? Yeah? All right. Question. Bella, thank you. Liana, yes, thank you. Okay, so everyone got this. So again, now, let me ask you this question. If I give you an example, okay, express 0.3% as a fraction, what would your answer be? If I give you an example, express 0.3% as a fraction, how would your answer be? Can you type your answer in the chat? Try again, Bella. Try again, Joan. Try again, Shambhavi. Ayu, try again. Tanishka, try again. Wow. Timothy, try again. Fraction, I want fraction, Timothy. You just put slash. Tanishka, try again.